Welcome to the NIOS studio. In this video, we will learn about vitamins and minerals. As you are already aware that there are 6 nutrients which are important for our body. These 6 nutrients we get through the food we eat. But we also know that vitamins and minerals do not provide energy by themselves. Carbohydrate, protein, and fat, these 3 nutrients, when taken along with vitamins and minerals, then these 2 vitamins and minerals help these 3 carbohydrate, protein, and fat to release their energy. Vitamins and minerals are required in small quantity in our body. And if it is not available in sufficient quantity, then it can cause many deficiency diseases. We also know vitamins are mainly of 2 types. The first is fat-soluble and the second is water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are 4: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. And the water-soluble vitamins are mainly 2: vitamin B complex. This B complex itself has 8 different vitamins. And the second is vitamin C. Now we will learn more about each of the vitamin. Fat-soluble vitamin. We know vitamin A is fat-soluble vitamin. And we all know that vitamin A is necessary for the eye and healthy skin. If your skin is broken, then you will be at high risk of the infection. That is how it provides the resistance to the disease, and it is needed for the growth and development, which you can obtain from vitamin A directly from the animal food sources like egg and milk. But you need to have the vitamin A that is available in the form of fat solubility, which is then converted into vitamin A inside the body. Also, green leafy vegetables like spinach is a very good source of vitamin A. So you must eat lots of green and colorful vegetables to get the vitamin A. Now we will talk about vitamin D. Vitamin D is, as we all know, it is necessary for strong bones and teeth. Also, it is very important and it is very necessary for the absorption at utilization of calcium and phosphorus. If vitamin D and calcium both are included in our diet, then only our bone will get more strong. It also supports the muscle function and necessary for the immunity. Now we will learn about the vitamin E. It is important because it is present in some amount in cell membrane. That is how it protects the cell membrane and the cell. But it has to be eaten from the outside and it is available. Vitamin E is important because it is present in some amount in cell membrane. That is how it protects the cell membrane and the cell, but it has to be eaten from the outside and available in our nuts and sunflower. They are very rich source of vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as antioxidant. Now we will talk about vitamin K. Vitamin K, most of us know that vitamin K is necessary for the clotting of the blood. Nowadays, with research, it has been seen that it also supports the bone health and it can be synthesized in the large intestine or colon, but in very small amount, and it has to be eaten from the sources. Now we will talk about water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin B complex that helps in the body who use energy. Vitamin B complex helps the body. Vitamin B complex is available in large amount. And we have to remember, because this vitamin is water soluble, so we should wash our fruits and vegetables carefully. If we wash them too frequently, then vitamin B can be washed out in it itself. Vitamin B is very useful in digestive system and growth and functioning of the nervous system. Now we will learn about where we will get the vitamin B complex. As you can see, a variety of food and there are lots of color in the vegetables, and some amount of vitamin B complex is also available in the grains in the roti. Now we will talk about vitamin C. Vitamin C is very popular. It helps in making our body more strong. It helps in making our body more resistant to disease. Good sources are orange, amla, lemon, guava, mint. cabbage, and capsicum. Many people do not know about it. Vitamin C is synthesized during germination in cereals and pulses because it is necessary for the formation. Vitamin C is also necessary to use the iron and hemoglobin and making our teeth and bones more strong. Minerals are present in our body tissues and cells. They are present in earth, raw sea soil. And from there it reaches to the food that we eat. They occur in the food as salts. Some of the important minerals are calcium, phosphorus, iron, and iodine. They are needed in small amount for normal functioning of the body. Let us understand some of the important minerals. First is calcium. Calcium is necessary for our body and it is the largest amount of mineral present in the body. It is present in the bones. It is necessary for growth of our body strength, to give the bones muscular contraction, blood clotting, and also the functioning of the nerves. We get calcium from milk, milk products, green leafy vegetables, small brine of brown color. Ragi is one cereal that contains enough amount of calcium as compared to other cereals. For better utilization of calcium, vitamin D is also needed, which you have learned. Calcium and phosphorus are equally important and both of them are necessary for building the bones and both are required in equal amount. And if excess of phosphorus is eaten, that defeat the calcium present in our body. Deficiency of calcium can cause rickets in the children. There is one more disease named osteoporosis. In this disease, the normal bone becomes porous and they are very highly at risk of fracture. That it can bend in your back. Also you can see osteoporotic bone means the bone become porous and the person is not strong enough for free movements. Another mineral is iron. Iron is very crucial mineral which makes our food. Iron is very crucial mineral which makes our blood red and makes us active in life. If iron is not present in our food, then you can think of how you will look and how you will act. This is important for the formation of compound called hemoglobin. And due to which our blood is red, and that it helps in transport of oxygen to each cell of the body, and it can be obtained from the pulses, green leafy vegetables, eggs, and the meat. Deficiency of iron can cause anemia. The pregnancy demands extra iron for the healthy development of the fetus or the growth of the fetus. In pregnancy, you require the iron more. Young girls need extra iron because of loss of blood during menstruation. If there is loss of blood during any injury, then the deficiency of iron can also be caused. Absorption of iron is very important. If you eat the iron along with a cup of tea, then your iron is a waste. It would not be absorbed by your body. But if you eat the iron with the vitamin C rich source, then it will be absorbed in your body. Iodine is necessary for growth and functioning of our brain. It is available in the seafood and sea salts, and now salts are fortified with the iodine. You get the iodized salt. You get the iodine. Without water, you cannot survive more than 2 days. And water we drink is not only the water, but it is giving the life to your body. In our body, more than 50% of our body is made up of water. And that is how water is so necessary. Water is vital to life. It is present in all the cells of the body. It protects the internal organs. It helps in digestion, absorption, and transportation of nutrients in the body. It helps in digestion, absorption, and transportation of nutrients in the body. It helps in excretion of waste materials and helps to maintain the body temperature. It is also available in the food itself. Fresh food, vegetables, contain more amount of water and cereals and pulses contain less amount of water. So, more water you drink in summer. In summer you drink variety of drinks: Coca, Cola, tea, coffee, Pepsi. So we have understood what are the functions of 6 main nutrients which are present in different food. But globally, though we are not eating food on a daily basis, but we still do not eat in amount of nutrients which are required by our body. So we must be careful in whatever we are eating. I hope you must have understood this topic well. You must study this from your book as well. Work hard, study well. Thank you.